Please be patient and stay with me throughout this process. I'm just trying to do a little bit of introduction to the whole thing before I put on the show. So I'm just trying to show the bed sheets and everything on the table, just trying to give an introductory speech. So please stay with me because this is going to be a ride you like to see. And thank you for listening. Let's continue. On the bed, about 35 bed sheets with 32 towels. Well, I'm going to expect some towels to be brought in here maybe later in the evening from the pool side. People that are used to do for swimming, people that use it for swimming, they will bring it later, maybe after the swimming period have elapsed, and they have to. I was practically repeating myself while I was shooting. English is a problem that I will have to attend to later. But I'm just trying to show the bed sheets and pillowcase and the already washed duvet and all that before I'll just start it to the main thing. So let's just go to the main thing. Let's forget about all this. Go! So this is me removing the last towel. I was actually saying something then, but trust me, you don't want to hear what I was saying. Okay, I'm just saying that I received the last towel and that's all. I want to take it outside and boom, somebody brought in towel. I was just saying about the pool bar people. So I just, okay, hear this. This is the towel from the pool side, the pool bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, average of 12 towels. So come on, I hate interruption, and this time I was the one interrupting myself. So that is that, and then let's go and hang the towels. And then boom. This is the hanging side of the towel. I actually push the towel this side because towel is something that I'm not the one picking it back. The room attendant, receptionist, and porter, and then by the pool bar people as well. So they will all come and collect them by themselves. But the bed sheet of which I'm supposed to arrange and return to the shelf here in the dry cleaner room, that one I'm going to hang them in the front so that I can easily collect them back. There's music playing in the background. Let me allow you eavesdrop just a little bit from the music. Okay, that music, I think it should be from P Square, whether Peter or Paul, Root Boy, or maybe one of them. So that was interesting, that was amazing. And then I continued hanging the towels, and I hanged all the towels, and then let's go back to the dry cleaning room and continue what we are doing there. Let me allow you eavesdrop again. There won't be no schools anymore. There will be no hospitals. There will be no schools anymore. There will be no hospitals. All the people will be some prison. All the people will be some prison. All the people will be some prison. All the people will be. I am a prisoner, Lucky Dube, Mali, I think it's Lucky Dube, yeah. So that's that, and then this is the way I used to wash clothes now, and I need to raise the clothes very well because the water coming out from the spin area is not actually raising it very well for me. So what exactly I'm doing is that I'll bring it up from where it's being washed from the Hetamaku machine and then put it inside the basin where I put fresh water so I can easily raise it and then put it inside the spin. So that's what I do consecutively almost all the time. Until the last part when I want to change the water, then I have to remove all the water from there and put the fresh water and spin. Well, I'm just trying to give you the whole thing of what's going on here, and oh my, this is exhausting really. Come on. It's easier watching than actually doing it, but anyway, this is interesting. Okay, what else? Okay, now putting another bedsheet to be washed by the machine, and that's it. That and whoa, that's so fast. If I'm this fast, then Why would I be complaining? Come on. Okay, I'm not complaining. I'm not saying am I complaining? No, I'm not complaining. I mean, this is dope. For humans to be effective this way. Okay, that is that about what I'm saying, and that's the second spin. And to tell you the real truth, oh my god, my second is actually the person that know how to operate this second spin. Like this, the other that black machine they have Nexus, I like the spin, but that particular machine I'm putting close inside now, that spin, I don't like it. If you try to on it, it will be misbehaving. Like you hear some horrible sounds. They've changed it many times. The guy said that the machine is an old machine and that's why it's not operating so well. But so that's basically it for today. Thank you for staying with us and watching this video. Share this video please to your friends and anyone that wants. Just share this video, comment and like.